Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a kind of different series that I'm starting on my channel where I go and declutter my entire makeup collection. So if you don't know, hey, my name's Adrika. I upload 3 times a week on this YouTube channel, so tune in every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday if you want to see my face on your screen. So I am going to be going through pretty much all of my makeup, decluttering everything, so this is the same intro that you're going to see for pretty much all of them. It's always good to go through your makeup collection, get rid of any expired makeup, get rid of makeup that you're not using, give it to a home that will use it way more. So all the expired makeup I am chucking straight in the bin, but the not expired makeup, stuff that I'm just not quite that into, I will be donating or giving to friends and family, all that business. They are not going straight in the garbage. That is so wasteful. I'm sure someone could use it somewhere. Any links that you're gonna need, I will be linking them all down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, if you want to see me declutter blank, insert whatever I'm decluttering today, then just keep on watching. Alright, so excuse my floor setting. We're gonna do brushes now. And I'll probably put another section in with this because brushes shouldn't take that long. I do have a ton, okay? I haven't counted how many I have, but I do have a very good amount. So these 2 cups, these 2 cups are basically brushes that I use in their entirety. I'm going to empty this out into my lap because I'm on the floor, okay? Trying to keep this casual. I use this brush all the time. I use this all the time. I love this. I just got another one of those. I use this sometimes, but it warrants, you know, being in the collection. This one all the time. This one all the time. This one. This one. This one that I stained. These 2 I also use. Okay, wait. Let me just rifle through these like quickly. Use all of those. And double check that I do. Okay. I don't use this brush, but I'm sure I can find a use for this brush. But I think, yeah, your girl uses all of these. Okay. So it's okay. I justify having this many brushes by saying that I do use all of them. And I do. By the end of like a month, all of these are extremely dirty. Okay. Now the face brushes right here, I'm also going to take out in their entirety. I use this. Okay, I can get rid of this one. It's not really my favorite. I'm going to give this to somebody else who can make use of it. I love this brush. I also love this brush. This is my favorite blush brush. This is a new brush that I just got. So is this one. I love all of my Wet n Wild brushes, so I'll just put those away for now. I use these brushes all the time. Okay, so now let's move on to the actual cup that I don't use. So this brush, this foundation brush, is just not my favorite. This is the only Wet n Wild brush that I'm just like not too gaga. Oh, actually no, there's another one. This one I'm also not gaga over, but I don't have a brush like this. And anytime I do want to cream contour or anything like that, if I ever do want to do something out of my comfort zone, this is the brush that I would use. So I'm going to keep this, but I already know that I'm never going to use this foundation brush because no. So I'm just going to give that brush away. Let me take these out and then put back the ones. This brush broke. Alright, I'll just super glue you back in. I don't even like you. Alright, never mind. This eyeliner brush that I got from e.l.f., this like bent eyeliner brush, is so like fat. I thought it would be thinner, but it just kind of splayed out. But I will still continue to use this because this type of brush is always really helpful. This brush from Wet n Wild, I don't like, so I will be giving this to somebody else. This small stipple brush is actually one of the only stippling brushes I have, and this does have its uses from time to time, so I will be keeping that. This one I will not be keeping. This is pure garbage. This like slanted arch definer, this weird sponge thing, that will be going to a different home. I do enjoy this Wet n Wild angled brush from time to time, so I will be keeping that. I'm gonna give this brush away, this Lancome brush that I got in like a kit a very, very long time ago. This brush is absolutely falling apart. Can someone else tell me if this happens to your e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush? But all of the bristles just seem to be just like coming out. So I don't really know what's going on with this brush in terms of that, but I will be giving this away or throwing it out depending on how everything is. This brush I will also be giving away. I don't like these flat brushes anymore. Let's see here. This pencil brush, I can give away. This blush brush I absolutely love, so I will be keeping an extra of that. This duo fiber brush I really enjoy, so I will be keeping that one. Like I said, I'm keeping the contour. This e.l.f. powder brush I can definitely do without, so I will be not taking that. This is like the only kind of like flat paddle concealer brush I have, so I will be keeping that. And this brush, this BH Studio Pro brush, I will be keeping this. Let's see here. I love this brush for natural highlight days, and this is another paddle brush. Ooh, okay, I'm not gonna keep both of these, so I'm gonna keep the Real Techniques one, and then I'll give away the Wet n Wild one. And this slanted brow brush is helpful for when I'm doing colorful eyebrows. So I didn't get rid of a lot, but in my defense, I do use like most of these brushes. I use all of these brushes now, actually. So the rest of these will be going to better homes. So that is that for my brush collection. I have enough room to grow into this cup, and these two still have some space in them, so we're good on space. So that wraps up my video, guys, on this blank declutter. This is going to be the same outro that you're going to see for each video, so it's just easier for me to edit, go through footage and all of that business. So any links that you're going to need, it'll all be linked down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. I do upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so definitely tune in on those days if you want to see more content from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!